Here we have a 21 registered Roadster 3.7, finished in regal red, which is darker than quartz. 16-inch stainless wheels, open riders, extra wing treads, black leather, pipe cream. Walnut dashboard, elasticated door pockets. That's a 6-speed manual gearbox. Leather detailing. Mohair full weather equipment including side screen bag and tonneau. 3,500 miles. One owner from new. In beautiful condition throughout. Also had benefits from round door mirrors. Obviously it has stainless steel exhaust as standard. Door handles, aluminium body and wings. 110 was the last of the Roadsters, and this must be one of the last registered cars in the UK, being registered in 21 rather than 20. Colour looks lighter on the video. It is darker in the actual flesh, and it's a beautiful shade of red. The mock plate stays with the car. Excellent service history and a golden opportunity for somebody. If you'd like to arrange a viewing or for more information, contact 01234 750 205, and that's Alan Wines. Thank you very much for viewing.